Protesters demand answers in Donna-Lee Donaldson's disappearance. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Family and friends of 24-year-old Donna-Lee Donaldson staged a protest in New Kingston on Sunday for her safe return. The protest was held outside the gates of an apartment complex. It is alleged that she was last seen in that area. Donna-Lee Donaldson was reported missing on Wednesday, July the 13th by family members. We lost communication with Donna-Lee at 5 p.m. Tuesday and we haven't heard from her since. We reported this matter the following day on Wednesday, which would now make it 5 days since the police have the missing case, and yet the only thing they have reported to us is that they are doing everything in their will to ensure that justice comes for Donna-Lee. However, they haven't given us any detailed update on what they are doing, the brother told reporters. Family members have stated that they are dissatisfied with the pace at which the investigation are processing. In a release this afternoon, the communications unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force stated that a high-level probe is currently underway for the woman's disappearance. The release further added that senior investigators from St. Andrew Central Police Division, with oversight of Criminal Investigation Branch Headquarters, along with members of the Communication Forensic Cybercrime Division and also scenes of crime investigators, are currently involved in the missing person probe. It's been reported that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force would have been the last person to have seen the female, and consequent to that, the police have launched a high-level probe into the case. Meanwhile, the police are asking anyone with information that they believe might be useful in this investigation to contact the Halfway B CIB at 876-926-8184, Crime Stop at 311, the police emergency number 119, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.